Good morning, dear children. Let us start chapter 7. Can you see the pattern? Part 7, NCERT class 5. In this video, we will discuss calendar magic, some more numbers pattern. So let us start. Calendar magic, more number patterns. Calendar magic. You can see in calendar magic, look at the calendar below. Let us mark 3 cross 3 boxes. Means 9 dates. Here 3 cross 3 dates means 9 dates are marked under a square. We have to calculate the sum of these numbers. How can we calculate sum of these numbers? We have to choose the smallest one. Which is smallest among these 3? Smallest number 3. Okay. Then what we have to do? We have to add 8 every time. Plus 8 means 11. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to multiply it by 9. So 11 9s are 99. Means sum of these numbers are 99. So this can be calculated either by adding each number or by calculating this smartly. Okay. So you tell me in comment box whether this addition is correct or not by adding these numbers. Okay. So let us revise this with another example. Let us take this square grid. Okay. Means 9 numbers are there in this square grid and we have to find the sum of all the numbers. What we have to do? We have to search smallest number. This time smallest number is 5. Smallest number is 5. What we do? We just add 8 to this. 8 and 5, 13. And we just multiply by 9. 9 3 is 27, 2, 9 1 is 9 and 2, 11. 117. So sum of these 9 numbers are 117. We can do it for any square grid with 9 boxes. Let us take one more example. So smallest number is 8. We add 8 every time. So 16 and then we multiply by 9. 9 6 is 54. Carry over 5. 9 1 is 9 and 5 14. So sum of these dates are 114. So in this way you can find addition of 9 dates smartly. What you have to do? We have to just find the smallest number, then add 8 every time, then multiply by 9 every time. So you will get the sum of 9 digits. Now some more number patterns. Take a number now. Now multiply by 2, 3 and 4 at every step and also add 3 at each step. Look at the difference in the answer. Let us take 12. So every time we will take 12. Okay. Every time we will take 12. Every time we will multiply by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we'll add 3. So 12 2s are 24 plus 3, 27. 12 3s are 36 plus 3, 39. Okay. So every time we will get this number. Well, 6 is 72 plus 3, 75. 12 7 ja 84 plus 3, 87. 12 8 ja 96 plus 3, 99. 12 9 ja 108 plus 3, 1 1 1. Now see the pattern. 27 plus how many numbers? 12. 20 plus 7, 27 plus 12, 39. 39 plus 12, 51. 51 plus 6, 12, 63. 63 plus 12, 75. 75 plus 12, 87. 87 plus 12, 99. 99 plus 12, 111. So what you can see, we are adding by different numbers and adding something, multiply by different number, adding some number, but we are getting difference same. Okay. Now next, look at this pattern. 9 minus 1 divided by 8 is equal to 1. Okay. When we will add 8 here, so here 2, then divide by 8, it will become 1 2. 2 digits, 1 2. 1 digit, only 1. So 9 8 7, reverse counting, 3 digit, minus 3 divided by 8, then 1 2 3. Now 4 digits, so minus 4, reverse digits, divide by 8, it will become 1 2 3 4. Now it should be 5. 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 5, minus 5 divided by 8 means 1 2 3 4 5. Now 6 digit, 9 8 7 6 5 4, divide by minus 6 divided by 8, so this will become 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again increase by 1 digit, 9 8 7 6 5 4 3, minus 7 divided by 8, so it become 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so in this way we can complete this number pattern. Now smart addition, we have smart addition. Okay, how can we add these numbers? One is that 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 3, 6 plus 4 10 plus 5 15 plus 6, like this we will add and get 55. Another way of adding, this is 10. Now 1 plus 9 10, 2 plus 8 10, 3 plus 7 10, 4 plus 6 10. Now only 5 left. How many 10? 1 2 3 4 5 tens and 50. 5 10 means 50 plus 5, so answer is 55. Okay. Now the sum of 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20 is 155. What you are observing? At unit place 5, at tens place 5, at unit place 5, at tens place 5. Okay. So how we get this? Let us see. Suppose 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20. Okay, let us see. 11. Can 11 be written like 10 plus 1? Yes. 12 can be written like 12 plus 2. 13 can be written like, 10 plus 2. 13 can be written like 10 plus 3. 14 can be written like 10 plus 4. 15 can be written like 10 plus 5. 16 can be written like 10 plus 6. 17 can be written like 10 plus 7. 18 can be written like 10 plus 8. 19 can be written like 10 plus 9. 20 can be written like 10 plus 10. Okay. So how many tens? 110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 610, 710, 810, 910, 1010. Means 10 into 10. Now what left? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So what is the sum of 1 to 10? 55. We have seen in last example. 10 into 10, 100. So sum is become 155. Okay. So got it how we got 155. Now come back. So this sum is 155. And when we will add 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and then 30. So now it is clear in this pattern addition, this 55 will be there, 55 plus 55. Okay. And what will be the third digit? Here 1, because this is 11. So here it will be 2. Here no digit before 1. So no digit before 55. Before 1 is 1. So 155. Before 1 is 2. So 255. Before 1 is 3. So 355. Sum of 31 to 40. Okay. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Similarly, sum from 41 to 54, 55. Sum of numbers 51 to 60, 555. Sum of numbers from 61 to 70, 655. So this is pattern addition. If we start from 1 and with the 0, means 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80, like this. At the unit and tens place, 55 will be there, and here the first first digit of series. Okay, so you can fill all these numbers yourself. One with odd numbers. What are odd numbers? Which cannot be divided by 2. So number which is not divisible by 2 is called as odd number. So we have to see the pattern. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 3 plus 5. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9. How many odd numbers? 2. So we multiply 2 by 2. If odd numbers are 3, we multiply 3 by 3. If odd numbers are 4, we multiply 4 by 4. 16. If odd numbers are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, means we multiply 5 by 5. So answer is 25. Similarly, odd number is 6. So we multiply 6 by 6. So answer is 36. So odd number is 7. We multiply 7 by 7. So 49. So if we have to say find the sum of 10 odd numbers, find the sum of first 10 odd numbers. What we have to do, we have to just multiply 10 by 10, that is 100. If sum of first 11 odd numbers means 11 into 11, that is 121. If sum of first 20 odd numbers means we have to multiply 20 by 20, which is 400. So in this way we can easily find the sum of odd numbers. Number of odd number multiply by number of odd numbers. So this is all about fun with numbers. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.